from Daisy Victoria, and today I have some really fun costumes to show you guys. So I created these for a Game of Thrones Playboy Bunny inspired group for Comic-Con, so these were really fun to make. This one was inspired by Daenerys, whom I love, if you guys haven't figured out yet. And this is based on like the end of the show when she's wearing the Mad Queen, like the black and the red. And I did a full body corset basically, so that was interesting to fit and a challenge that I've actually been wanting to do for a long time. So this project pushed me in a way that I'm very grateful for, and I want to make more. So actually, yeah, this is a corset too on the neck. I like corsets. And yeah, I did some dragonscale smocking and dragon stones, so dragon details, hooray! And I'm so excited to wear this. And for my boyfriend, we actually did a little play on the bunny theme. So we've got a bunny sigil here, and this is inspired by the Hef robe, but a little Game of Thrones made. I'm gonna zoom in and show you guys some details because there's so much detail on here that I want to show you closer up. And then I'm gonna take you on an adventure with me on a sewing montage as I make my Daenerys bunny suit. finished costumes. I hope you guys like them as much as I do. No, wait, I hope I like them the most because they're mine. I am so excited about bringing these to Comic-Con, which will be over by the time you see the video. So just remember that I was excited, and I'm sure I'm still excited because I'm always excited pretty much about costumes. So anyways, if you guys want to see more of my work, check me out on Patreon and the social medias. I'm Daisy Victoria everywhere. And I look forward to sharing more costumes with you soon. Bye bye!